Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zik the Programmer Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. So let's get started. Now the first step to take is to of course open your TikTok app and then head to your TikTok profile. Now once you're here on your TikTok profile, just click on these three lines at the top right corner. And now you have to scroll down a little bit and then you will see this digital well-being. Now once you click on that, you find the restricted mode right here. So go ahead and click on that. Now right now my restricted mode is turned on, and what this restricted mode does is that it limits the content that may not be appropriate for some viewers on TikTok. So guys, if you turn on this feature, then it will help limit those kind of content for you. So if by any chance you feel like turning it off, then once you get to this point, you're going to find the option to turn off restricted mode at the bottom of your screen. Now if you click on that, then you have to enter the password that you created when you turned on the feature on TikTok. So you have to enter that password, and I can still remember my password, so I'm going to enter it, and then I'll click on next. And once I click on that, it will be turned off. So it's now turned off. So if I go back, click on these three lines and click on the digital well-being again, then you find out that it's been turned off right here. So restricted mode is off right now on my TikTok app. So guys, this is how you can turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.